Welcome. In front of me I have Sony A5000, and today I'll show you how you can adjust the display buttons. So at the first you have to tap on the menu button, then go for the custom settings, and when we are here we have to go at the bottom. Here we got the display buttons, so let's enter, and as you can see here we got the preview how it looks on the screen. I'll take the camera a little bit closer to show you how it looks, and here we can basically get rid of a very icon that we have on our screen when you take photos. As you can see, we can also activate the histogram. It will be in the right bottom corner, and actually you can adjust it like you want. And if you want to confirm, for example, if you want to only get the histogram, you have to go here and then click enter. And as you can see, here we got our histogram, and other buttons just disappear from the screen. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.